Hey guys, and welcome back to HealthClick. In this video, I'll show you what the Vision Pro self-adjusting corrective glasses are, what they offer, and how they work. So let's get started. According to the official websites, the Vision Pro self-adjusting corrective glasses are adjustable focus glasses designed to help users see clearly at different distances using a single pair of glasses. The company says that the glasses features self-adjusting lenses that can basically be customized for each eye, allowing users to switch between reading, computer work, and distance viewing without changing glasses. According to the website, the glasses are designed to provide independent adjustments for each lens, lightweight construction, blue light, and UV protection. The company also states that the adjustable lenses are intended to accommodate a wide range of vision needs while providing all day comfort. And of course, basically, according to the official instructions, you'll just have to put the glasses, adjust each lens individually until basically the image appears clear for you and, of course, for your preferred viewing distance. The website states that each eye can be adjusted separately, allowing you to fine tune the focus, as example, based on your individual vision needs. Once adjusted, you can read or work on computer or view distance objects without changing to another pair of glasses. Of course, before purchasing, make sure to take a few minutes to review everything. Carefully review the product information and make sure that the glasses offers and features that you're looking for are there. And it's always a good idea to read the product details carefully and do your own research before placing an order. And if you decide to purchase this, you'll have, of course, to go and choose the preferred package, click on to add to carts, as example. Example currently available now, but once you visit it, you may find it's visible or available then. And of course, you'll have to enter your shipping information, payments information, and before completing your purchase, of course, if there's any on-screen instructions, make sure to do it. But before completing your purchase, carefully review the pricing, shipping information, warranty, return policy, so you know exactly what you're ordering. Taking a few extra minutes to review these details and do your own research is always recommended. And of course, if you have any questions, they do have frequently asked questions here at the bottom of the page. If you have one of those questions, you'll find that. And as with any vision related products, it's always a good idea to consult your eye care professional if you have concerns about your eyesight or require the prescription eyewear. Also, make sure to do your own research and only continue if you're comfortable with the products and its features. So that's it for me. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.